Meme coins. They have been trading not so awesome in recent weeks. I know there's always a few exceptions when they're pumping like crazy, but just for perspective, Dogecoin has dropped more than 40% from its March local high. At the same time, Doge is still up 45% since the meme coins started pumping last February. Things like Brett have gone insane, Dog with Hat have gone insane, all these things, but many of them also faced massive corrections. So let's try to get a grip on the phenomena of meme coins. Let's pull up some surprising charts that show how meme coins can, of course, massively outperform the broader market. In fact, in many ways, it feels like memes have killed much of the rest of the cryptocurrency market as they just suck up all the attention and liquidity. Let's start with an overview of meme coins here to get a grasp on what the heck's going on. At the time of writing, the total market cap of all meme coins is around $50 billion, which is ludicrous, okay? But for perspective, it's even more ludicrous than that because around May 2021's peak, Dogecoin alone, just Dogecoin, was worth more than double that. Yeah, markets are that stupid. Deal with it. Dogecoin's current market cap sits around $18 billion, followed by Shiba Inu around like 11, 12 billion, Pepe around 5, Dog with Hat and Floki are, a couple billion a piece, Brett's 2 billion. Brett is life. To profit from meme coins, some people have to take a bit of a mental hurdle here, myself included. I feel like I mid-curved memes for way too long. They are culture at the end of the day, and they're tokenized culture. Meme coins are not my favorite playground, but I do like playing there from time to time. And they can be hugely profitable if you feel comfortable with the risk involved with these assets. There are ways to more or less, of course, time the market too and get good entries. We've done lots of videos on how to get good entries, be early to meme coins, all that stuff. Go watch those videos. But here's a great chart from Masari showing how meme coins within a market cycle pump after the respectable coins do and also crash before the, again, respectable coins crash. In the early market, in the early bull market stages, those legit assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that kind of stuff, they signal that crypto isn't dead. They start moving. This kick starts a wave of attention for speculation. If you look closely on the right end of the chart, you will see the light blue line representing the ratio of meme coins versus smart contract networks such as Ethereum. When the bull market took off in October 2023, memes were on the decline, percentage-wise anyway. Only in late winter of 2024, the memes woke up and started outperforming. And when they crashed a bit before the smart contract networks did. Interesting, right? So memes can signal the end of a speculative wave across all of crypto, but they also can be early too, and not necessarily the end of a bull run though, okay? We go in big waves throughout here. There can be more meme coin waves within a cycle, and there's probably going to be. Every wave will probably be met with massive meme coin speculation. Just something to keep in mind if you want to cycle in and out of memes, because there's certainly money to be made doing that. Now let's talk about capturing cultural value, okay? So let's return to the main topic here, namely why you shouldn't judge meme coins too harshly, and why a lot of people just get it wrong. Let's illustrate this with a dialogue between, let's call her Sue, our meme coin skeptic, and the believer, Bill. So Sue comes out and says, well, there's just no intrinsic value in magic internet coins with a dog logo on top. But what's Bill got to say to that? Well, or is there, Normie? Show me the coins that you pay with in your local grocery store. What logo do they have? Well, then what's Sue come back with? She comes back and says, well, it's the image of the king or the president or some other famous person. Bill says, that's right. So you think a coin with a picture of your leader on it somehow has more intrinsic value, but a coin with your beloved dog, your Shiba Inu dog, for example, or your Brett character or your frog character doesn't? Sue, well, it's our country's currency. It's official. Then Bill hits back, true. Currency used to be the monopoly of nation states. But in our age of online communication, people can actually join forces and create economies of their own. Well, then Sue hits back, why aren't you taking meme coins just a bit too seriously here? Why so serious, Bill? Dogecoin or Pepe coin or whatever they're called, they're just jokes. Bill says, sure, let's assume this Dogecoin joke made 1 billion people worldwide laugh a few times. Well, there's value in that. People pay real money to comedians to get entertained. Plus, the dollar's kind of a joke anyway. Sue sits back and says, are you saying you want to multiply the number of times people laughed with the price per laugh to arrive at a fair market cap of Dogecoin? Bill says, well, that is indeed what I'm saying. And by the way, it can also be other emotions than laughter, pain, fear, embarrassment, whatever. Any emotion that's shared in a community can now be monetized. Any cultural phenomenon can be monetized. Sue says, it's crazy world we live in, Bill. Bill says, indeed. So join the fun, Sue. Quit being a no coiner, man. Stop mid-curving. Anyway, that's the end of our fun dialogue there. And you might be saying, but, Lark, are you siding with the meme coin believers? Aren't meme coins totally useless? They don't do anything. Look, a meme coin generally has no real utility, in contrast with Ethereum, for example, which is a gas tokenized network. But then why don't you tell me about your governance tokens and their utility? They don't have any. People need, of course, something like Ethereum to use the blockchain, right? And that's true. But most tokens don't actually have a lot of value beyond speculation. What people forget is that the best form of money actually has pretty little utility. Take gold. Oh, I know it's got some industrial use cases, but compared to commodities like copper or silver, let alone things like oil, wheat, the real world utility of gold's pretty limited. Now, it's nice and shiny. I like that. But the type of shiny rock that's scarce and indestructible and portable, yeah, it's cool. Yeah, great. Fantastic, right? Great monetary properties. Gold's utility was always being money. And that's why the argument of Bitcoin critics that Bitcoin has no intrinsic value is missing the damn point. The best money is only good at being money. But how do meme coins fit these criteria? Where does it fit into this picture here? Well, they are in some sense a pure form of money. They have no utility other than a community gathering around a shared idea, icon, symbol, picture, or story. And it's this story that the community is drawn to. It's drawn to the idea. It's drawn to the meme for whatever reason. And culture has value. Ask authors of bestsellers or famous actors. Culture has value. We just monetize it with tokens. They make plenty of money working in a business essentially consisting of memes, these actors and authors and stuff like that. The most enduring feature of our cultures are stories and ideas. Look at the cave paintings in the wall in France from 30, 40,000 years ago. What if we could hang a price tag to ancient stories from Greek mythology or ancient religious texts? Priceless. Tokenize it all. Look, I'm not comparing a picture of a frog to the story of Genesis, okay? Calm down. Calm down the comment sections. I'm not saying we should tokenize the ancient Indian Vedas or anything like that. Okay, come on. I'm only saying that culture has value to people, and value can be expressed in a monetary way. And that's what meme coins are doing. They are a financial expression of culture, internet culture in particular, even if it's sometimes a silly joke. Culture is a store of value for the ages. I'm willing to bet that Dogecoin will still be traded in decades from now. It's the OG meme coin. It's probably not going anywhere. Now, talking about Dogecoin, let's look at a chart. But first, we got to do a real quick note here for you. It's a bit of self-promotion. You can join 135,000 plus weekly subscribers for the Wealth Mastery newsletter and start getting all kinds of great updates straight to your inbox. Meme coins, altcoins, all kinds of coins, charts, analysis, and much more. You can get that for free by signing up using the link down below in the description or the pinned comment over on X. Our readers love it. I'm sure you will too, so check it out. Okay, now here's the chart of Dogecoin measured in Bitcoin. Look at the wedge patterns in the 2021 breakout. Are we on the cusp of another major breakout for Dogecoin? Look, Dogecoin's funny. It started as a tongue-in-cheek rebellion against all the Bitcoin clones and all the Bitcoin forks that were launched back in 2013's bull market. Doge was just a playful coin, a fun way to satirize the altcoin mania. In fact, one of the founders sold all of his coins for a used car. Big mistake. Could be worth hundreds of millions. Anyway, it caught on. The joke will get old quickly. People thought never going to stick around, but look how resilient this meme has been. People like dogs. Surprise. So resilient, in fact, that it's the only coin that has outperformed Bitcoin over a decade plus time frame. That's crazy, right? And it's the only coin that can really say that. For comparison, here's the chart of Litecoin measured in Bitcoin. It was a very serious project, but guess what? It doesn't have a picture of a dog on it. Chainlink, I'm looking at you, man. Time to become Doglink. Let's go. Which coin is going to be easier to market to the crypto tourist? Right? Think about this. The one where you have to talk in detail about block size or CCIP or whatever, or the one where you look and, oh, it's got a cute dog picture. People love dogs. Apparently the second. It's the world we live in. You have to come to terms with it. It's just the way it is. You can deny it, but it's true. Because we live in something of a casino when it comes to crypto. And before we conclude that meme coins are less ridiculous than we might have thought, we have to talk about a problem here. And that is the endless flood of meme coins entering the market basically every single second. Millions of coins are being launched. Literally millions. That's not hyperbole. Literally millions in recent months. In a sense, it's good. The whole point is that this is a free market, right? So people can do what the heck they want with their money. With apps on Solana, such as Pump.Fun, anyone with a cryptocurrency wallet can go out and create a meme coin. This is a lot of fun for some people, and a lot of people lose a lot of money. You can just choose your image, your ticker name, mint 1 million of your own coins, or a quadrillion. Why stop at 1 million? The king of your meme coin you are, and you will be. Yes, maybe, just maybe, it's going to get some traction. Maybe it'll make a lot of money. Probably going to lose everything. It's like a lottery. Probably with slightly better odds than an actual lottery, but still, it's a pretty rough game and lots of rug pulls and scamming and all the rest of it happens. And at least you can, of course, design your own lottery ticket here, so that's kind of cool. But this also shows that a lot of meme coin activity is just that. It's speculation, it's gambling. As much as we want to talk about tokenized culture is true. And there's nothing wrong with gambling or speculation. It's a legitimate way to participate in the market. But it's far removed from what we talked about earlier, namely the monetization of culture, monetization of content, all that kind of stuff. Or the big grand vision of crypto, empowering people around the world financially. Anyway, wrapping up, to appreciate meme coins, you need to let go of the idea that a currency is only legitimate if it's issued out by a government. You've probably already taken that orange pill by understanding Bitcoin. Now you just need to go a bit further and accept that everything can do that. It can also be created by a community around a goofy idea, like a picture of a dog. There's a lot of degeneracy going on out there, but meme coins, whether you like it or not, are here to stay, and they're a major feature of the cryptocurrency market. And they are right now the top dog, attention and money-wise. Now, there are ways to spot when meme coins outperform the broader market, so go watch the videos we made on that. And I hope you have great luck and make a bunch of money on meme coins. Thanks for watching.